Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve F.Sc Mathematics chapter number 3 integration exercise number 3.2 question number 1 eighth part. The function is f of y, not f of x, because here y is the variable. So f of y is equal to integral under root y into y plus 1 whole divided by y. This is an algebraic function and it is also an easy one, but is different from the previous ones. So here under root y is multiplied by this bracket. So first of all we will multiply it with the bracket. When it will multiply with this one, it will become y into under root y plus under root y whole divided by y. This is the same function as we solved it in the previous question. Here in the numerator here are two terms and in the denominator is only one term. So we can write it in this way, that first term divided by the denominator and the second term in the numerator divided by the denominator. So the function will become y into under root y over y, this plus under root y over y. Here is only one term in this function, and this function we split into two different terms into dy. Here y cancelled by y, integral under root y plus, as the power is 1, when we take it upstairs it will become, this is y power 1 by 2, and when we take it on the numerator it will become y power minus 1. So integral y power 1 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2 into dy. So we can solve it easily by integrating separately these two terms. Integral y power 1 by 2 dy plus integral y power minus 1 by 2 dy is equal to y power 1 by 2 plus 1, adding and dividing with the same new power, plus y power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 over minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus constant of integration. It will become power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 plus and 1 by 2 plus c. Again on further solving it will become, this is double reciprocal, so it will become 2 power 2 by 3 y power 3 by 2 plus, this is again double reciprocal, will become 2 by 1 and y power 1 by 2 plus c. This is our solution of our required function f of y. Hope so you can understand it well. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.